6713, Mike Alpha, turning base for runway 20, Lewis traffic.
Where? No idea. Lewis, traffic Skyhawk 238 Tango Hotel, departing runway 20, going to be departing to the east. Lewis.
Lewis, Skyhawk 361 Lee, main form, departing pattern to the west, immediate turn out, Lewis.
Lewis, traffic 5740 Charlie, turning downwind 20, Lewis.
Oil pressure, oil temperature coming up, 55. 73. Lewis, traffic Skyhawk 238 Tango Hotel, departing the pattern to the east. Lewis. Chicago approach, Skyhawk 238 Tango Hotel, VFR with the rest.
Alright, 238 Tango Hotel, Chicago approach, squawk 5131, go ahead.
5131 for 8 Tango Hotel.
Tango Hotel's radar contact 15 south of Midway at altimeter 3014 Midway. Say altitude and intention.
We're at 2900 and we'd like VFR flight following to Fort Wayne for 8 Tango Hotel.
8 Tango Hotel, roger. Back 8 Tango Hotel, traffic 1 to 2 o'clock and 2 miles. Northwest 1 indicates 3000.
We got both targets for 8 Tango Hotel.
8 Tango Hotel, thanks. Call approach on 128.2.
128.2 for 8 Tango Hotel. 12.
And Chicago approach, United 637, 11,000 with Charlie.
United 637.
Chicago, Skyhawk 238 Tango Hotel, 3,500.
Skyhawk 238 Tango Hotel, Chicago departure, altimeter 3014.
3014 for 8 Tango Hotel.
November 238 Tango Hotel, contact South Bend 132.05.
132.05 for 8 Tango Hotel, have a good one.
Good night.
1207. South Bend, Skyhawk 238 Tango Hotel, level 3,500.
Skyhawk 238 Tango Hotel, south approach, south altimeter 3017, what's your destination?
3017, we're going to Fort Wayne for 8 Tango Hotel.
Alright, just report if you need an altitude change.
We'll let you know if we change any altitude for 8 Tango Hotel.
November 238 Tango Hotel, try Fort Wayne again, 127.2. If that doesn't work, come back this frequency.
Alright, we'll try 127.2 again, and we'll be back if we can't reach them for 238 Tango Hotel. Fort Wayne approach, Skyhawk 238 Tango Hotel, 3,500.
Skyhawk 238 Tango Hotel, Fort Wayne approach, Fort Wayne altimeter 3022.
3022 for 8 Tango Hotel.
Skyhawk 8 Hotel, state destination.
We're going to Fort Wayne, Foxtrot Whiskey Alpha.
Scott 8, Tango Hotel 100, continue, and you can expect to enter the rundown for runway 23.
Actually, can we try to get the a practice runway 14, RNAV runway 14, circle land 23 for 8 Tango Hotel?
Scott 8, Tango Hotel, roger, you can expect the RNAV 14, circle 23.
Alright, expect the RNAV 14, circle 23 for 8 Tango Hotel.
Scott 8, Tango Hotel, proceed direct to Laybeck for the RNAV runway 14 approach.
Direct Laybeck for 8 Tango Hotel. We're going direct to Laybeck.
Scott 8 Tango Hotel across Laybeck at 3000, maintain VFR, cleared RNAV runway 14 approach, circle to runway 23.
Cleared RNAV 14 approach, maintain 3000 until established for 8 Tango Hotel, circle 23.
Scott 8 Tango Hotel, contact tower 119.1.
119.1 for 8 Tango Hotel. A Tango Hotel is on the RNAV 14 2900.
Cessna 28, correction 238, Tango Hotel, Fort Wayne, tower wind 200 at 8, runway 14, clear for adoption. After adoption, turn right on course, maintain VFR at or below 3000.
Maintain VFR at or below 3000, clear for the option, runway 14, and we are, what was that last point for 8 Tango Hotel?
Cessna 8, Tango Hotel, turn right on course.
Turn right on course after the option for 8 Tango Hotel.
Cessna 8, Tango Hotel, just to verify, you want to circle to land runway 23?
If that's what you guys are using, I'll use 23, otherwise if 14 works, I'll do that for 8 Tango Hotel.
Cessna 8, Tango Hotel, roger, change to runway 14, circle north for the right base. Question, change to runway 23, circle north for the right base, runway 23, clear for the option. After the option, turn right on course, maintain VFR at below 3000.
Same as before, it's just we're circling for runway 23, 8 Tango Hotel. Do a full and complete stop, up and go. Right turn on.
Cessna 8 Tango Hotel, when able, reattach transponder squawk 4307.
4307 for 8 Tango Hotel.
Cessna 8 Tango Hotel, contact departure on 127.2. You have connect.
127.2, thanks guys, 8 Tango Hotel.
No problem.
Fort Wayne departure, Skyhawk 238 Tango Hotel, 2,200 for 3.
Skyhawk 238 Tango Hotel, foreign departure, welcome back, radar contact, altitude, your discretion.
Altitude, my discretion, we're going to go up to 4,500 at this time.
45 will show it, thank you.
Tango Hotel has the weather at Lewis.
Thanks. Tango Hotel, 10 miles from Cager, maintain VFR, no separation, service provided, practice approach approved.
Practice approach approved, maintain VFR for 8 Tango Hotel.
November 238 Tango Hotel, no traffic observed between you and Lewis Airport. Radar service terminated. Squawk VFR. Frequency changes approved.
Squawk VFR, frequency change approved. 8 Tango Hotel, thanks for the help.
Boom.
Lewis traffic, Skyhawk 238 Tango Hotel is about 10 to the east on the, join the RNAV runway 27. Circle to land 20, Lewis. Lewis traffic, Skyhawk 238 Tango Hotel is 5 to the east on a practice RNAV 27, going to be circling to land runway 20, Lewis. Lewis traffic, Skyhawk 238 Tango Hotel is 4 to the east on a practice RNAV 27, going to be circling to land runway 20, Lewis. Lewis traffic, Skyhawk 238 Tango Hotel is turning left downwind 1,300 foot, Lewis. Lewis traffic, Skyhawk 238 Tango Hotel is turning short left base, runway 20, Lewis.
Minimums.
Lewis traffic, Skyhawk 238 Tango Hotel is turning final, runway 20, Lewis. Lewis, traffic Skyhawk 238 Tango Hotel is clear, runway 20, Lewis.
Alright, after landing checklist. Maps are up. Transponder we're leaving on. Lights, we're crossing 927 right now.
Lewis, traffic Skyhawk 238 Tango Hotel is crossing 927 on Gulf, Lewis.
All the lights are on. Clear right, clear left.